Good day, Raiders. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2026. I'm Jace.
And I'm Big Craig. Here are your announcements for today.
Students, the art teachers love the things you created this year, but they don't have room to keep them. So if you made anything for art this year and the teachers still have them, please come see the teachers that pick up your work. If you don't pick this up, the pieces will be discarded, and nobody wants creative work to be sent to the islands of misfit toys. So pick up your artwork today.
Attention class of 2026, we're proud of you and your accomplishments. If you are furthering your education next year, we want to include your information in the report being sent to local media outlets, getting your name in the paper and everything like that. Please send a picture of your financial aid letter to Miss Anzavino on Teams. Any questions, please reach out to her. Deadline to report this information is this Wednesday, May 20th.
KJ Statement Photography is offering Warren Harding seniors the opportunity for professional cap and gown senior photos in front of Warren G. Harding on 5/26 and 5/27. You can take photos by yourself, with family, or even friends. Photos will be delivered within 48 hours, just in time to post for graduation, and cost only $20. Sign up at the QR code below. Student Recreational Wellness Center Facebook page, or check your team's page for more information. This is an awesome opportunity. Raiders seniors don't miss out.
Girls, are you interested in playing tennis for our Raiders this upcoming season? If so, stop by in room 3225 or message Coach Frederick through Teams. Join our Lady Raiders tennis team today.
The Warren G. Harding Marching Band Flagline tryouts are tonight from 5 to 7 in the Warren G. Harding Student Recreation and Wellness Center. Use the main entrance. Good luck to all those who are trying out.
You've only got one more week to order your yearbook. Go to yearbookordercenter.com and use number 3281 or search for Warren Harding to order yours now. Grab one today. If you don't order one, there will be extras for you to grab.
Also, dealing with yearbook, club advisors, coaches, and members. If you have some last-minute pictures you'd like to have included in your book, please email them to Mr. Witt using fred.whitaker@warrencityschools.org.
This concludes your announcements. It's the last week for seniors. Be sure to do well on finals. Class of 26, have a good day.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Miss Roar here, and I have a couple of drama club announcements. First, I have perusal scripts available for anyone interested in the musical for next year. It's going to be Little Shop of Horrors. It's an original off-Broadway production. It's got a pretty small cast, but the music's fun. The music is available on Spotify and YouTube, so you can listen along while you look at the lyrics. So you can borrow a hard copy of the script from my room 2200, and you can look at it over the summer and start learning those songs. Secondly, I'm going to be hosting an after-school watch-along of the musical on Wednesday, May 20th, immediately after school in my room 2200. We'll have some snacks, maybe do a sing-along, maybe just talk about our plans for next year. But I hope I'll see you there.
Hello, Raiders. I'm Jace, and I'm here with your special announcement. Hey, sophomores, do you have a job or are you looking to get one? Well, you can earn high school credits and leave school early just by having and maintaining your job. Be one of the 25 lucky students to join the 11th grade CBI work program for next year. Miss Allen has stopped by your U.S. history classes to answer questions and gather interest forms. If you missed this presentation, stop by room 1233 to ask Miss Allen questions or get an interest form. Have a good day, Raiders.
What's up, WSCN? It's your boy Josh,
And I'm 6.
and we're here with your birthdays.
For Monday's for Monday's birthday, we have Chloe Walls and Thomas Freeman, aka T Free.
And we got Lasavian Woodbury, Gianni Gary, and Nivira McCall. Happy birthday, Raiders.
Happy birthday! Bye.
Hello, WSCN. I'm Courtney,
And I'm not Big Craig.
and we're going to do 60-second debate. And our debate is if pineapple on pizza is a crime. So.
Not a crime.
Wait, I have to start the clock. Okay.
Not a crime. Because I think what makes a pizza is just the slices. I don't think it's what you put on it.
That's gross.
So I feel like if you make a pineapple pizza, it just works. It's pineapple pizza.
You have 5 seconds. Keep going.
No, it's like the debate. We're talking.
No, you go and then I go. I haven't watched it. Okay. Anyway, so my debate is that it is a crime because why are you putting fruit on pizza? Why are we doing that?
Because it's a pizza
No,
slice.
that's gross. Because I want to bite down. I want to taste the sauce,
Have you
the
ever tried?
cheese.
Have you ever tried a pineapple on pizza?
Yes, I have. I have. It's gross. And
It's just
I want to
preference.
bite down on some pepperoni. I don't want to bite down on a fruit because
Well,
then
then
all
you
you're
could
gonna
put
hear is
pepperoni on the pizza as well. You can mix it.
That's
You
disgusting.
do a little mix.
No, that's disgusting.
I think you can put pineapple on pizza.
And I don't think you can.
I think Courtney's wrong.
No.
Have an amazing day, Raiders.
What's up with my fellow Raiders? I'm Nicoletta, and I have a joke of the day for you today. All right. What did Mr. Witt say to the student? Get your segments done.
I love that one.
That's all that I have for you guys. So, peace out.
What's up, guys? I'm Giselle.
And I'm Ameera.
And welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are reviewing the Glow Recipe products. And if you know, this is skincare for my girls who like to have glass skin. Yeah, so basically we're gonna give our reviews because we've tried different things.
Probably a really unpopular opinion because everybody likes Glow Recipe. I hate it. I don't like it at all. I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't work. And they say like it's like glass skin and everything. I don't like it. I feel like it's too scented. I don't like that. My face is, everything about me is really sensitive. Wait, maybe I shouldn't have said that.
I mean,
my skin is really sensitive. So I don't like it. It's too sensitive. It's too much. And I don't like the fact, like, it's cute. It looks cute. It's cute to have. But I don't think it works. So I got, like, the little mini set of, like, everything for my birthday from Sephora. So it was, like, one of the little mini travel things or whatever. And I started using it. And it was the watermelon one. Like, the light pink one. I'm assuming that's
it's
the
a
one
toner?
Yeah. It was all of it.
Oh.
I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. And I probably would give it, I feel like it was working and then I started feeling like weird. So I might give it like a 4 out of 10.
Okay.
It was a 4 out of 10 for me. I didn't like it. I wouldn't try it again.
My turn. I give this about a 2 out of 10. I hate this product so much. I have tried, first of all, I got the freaking toner. It's watermelon as well. It's the watermelon toner, and I think the packaging is cute. It's cute colors. The design is cute. I think the overall like design too of making everything a fruit is cute, but I hate that it's scented. For people that like actually care about their skin, you don't use scented things on your skin at all. Maybe a scented lip gloss, but that's it. You're not gonna use scented makeup. So why are you gonna use scented skincare? It doesn't make sense. It also does not work at all. If I have been using the toner because I'm trying to get rid of it, and I got the big thing. I literally got the big one from TJ Maxx. And first of all, it's also expensive. It's expensive for no reason because it's popular and it blew up on TikTok.
I let it go for about $40.
$40? But when you see the bottle and like you pick it up, you can see because you leave it out for so long, you can see like around it like leaves some type of residue. And I think that's disgusting because you're putting that on your face. Obviously, I'm still putting it on my face, but like it's like gross. Like it's actually gross. It does not work. And I've also tried the cream. I actually did like the cream. I'm not gonna lie. The plum cream, it stinks. It literally stinks. But I actually still use that because I need to get rid of it. But it actually doesn't bother me as much as the toner. And then I've tried the Plump Hydration. It's like a pump. I have like the miniest, like super tiny.
Oh, is it the dewdrops?
Yes, it's the dewdrops.
Those are the ones that I tried too, and I did not like them.
I also still use it just to get rid of it, and I'm basically about to be done with it, but it's not a purchase for me. Like, I will never purchase this ever again. They literally do not deserve to be in the industry.
I hate it.
It's
too popular.
It's
too popular and it's too expensive. It's too expensive. And I get it's a lot of product, but I personally don't think it's a good product like, at all.
Trust me, guys, it's not good.